Hey, I'm Andrew Rodriguez. Today we're going to install this 3 micron fuel filter kit and water separator on this Audi Q7. We also have a 1 micron filter kit available. First things first, you're going to take off the old filter on the car. I've already made this easy for myself. If you were doing this fresh, it's going to make a mess, so you're going to want some rags and stuff, but what we're going to do is unhook one side, you can unhook the other side, then you can pop out the retainer, set this aside. Next thing we're going to do is take this knock sensor loose. It's held in by two 10mm nuts. Just set that aside like that for the moment. Drop this bracket in place, and then we're going to put that knock sensor right back over the top. Take the nut, install the nut, and in a few minutes I'm going to come back and install this side. Right now I'm going to take the short end of the fuel line, we're going to connect it to the inside, and we're going to put a hose clamp on there. And then we're going to take the outside of the hose, we're going to run it around the outside underneath here, and we're going to make sure we've got another hose clamp on here, and then we're going to push it on. Going to tighten my clamps. Now I'm going to go ahead and put that 10mm nut on here, so this will be completely secured, and then we're pretty much done. The only thing you have to do next is prime the fuel filter, and you have to do that with VCDS. Hope this video was helpful.